Technical. Today we are going to be looking at a question under sort. Question with multiple sorts. How do we approach a question like this? If you are having like 3 sorts in a question. Now, let's see this. Simplify roots of 58x squared plus roots again 35 x raised to the power of 4 plus another root again x raised to the power of 8. Some may say if you want to approach a question like this, you start from the outer one. Some will say you start from the inner one. But today I'm going to give you a simple approach to this. Now let's see. Solution. Roots of 58 s squared plus roots of 35 x raised to the power of 4 plus roots of x raised to the power of 8. I'm going to start from the inner one, which is roots of x raised to the power of 8. Roots of x raised to the power of 8 simply means x raised to the power of 8 multiplied by 1 over 2. I change these square roots into 1 over 2. So here you have 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. So here you are going to have x raised to the power of 4. So this will give me x raised to the power of 4. Now, moving this to this side. So here we now have root 35 x raised to the power of 4 plus the solution to this is x raised to the power of 4. If you add these two together, there's an invisible one here. 35 plus 1. That will give me 36 s raised to the power of 4. If you break this down, root 36 x raised to the power of 4, you are going to have root 36 multiplied by root x raised to the power of 4. And root of 36 is 6 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 simply means x raised to the power of 4 times 1 over 2. You are going to do the same thing you did here. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So 6 times s squared will give me 6s squared. So the solution to this and this is now 6s squared. So I'm going to do the same to the last one. So here I have roots 58 s squared plus the solution to this is now 6s squared. 6s squared. Adding these together, this plus this, 58 plus 6, will give us 64, then s squared. If you break this into 2, you are going to have root 64 multiplied by roots of s squared. Root of 64 is 8, while root of s squared is x times x. So the answer to this is 8x. So this is the very short formula. Let me just say, short way of approaching a question like this. Just start from the inner one until you get to the outer one, which is the last one, which is root 58x squared. I believe you like this. Please, if you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.